Petrol versus hybrid cars is one of the most important and confusing questions for car buyers in 2026, especially at a time when fuel prices are rising, technology is evolving fast, and people want better mileage without sacrificing comfort and reliability. So in this AutoBrief video, we will explain everything in a simple and practical way to help you decide which option is actually better for your needs. Let's start with petrol cars, which have been the most common and familiar option for decades, offering a straightforward driving experience with a petrol engine that powers the car directly, making them easy to understand, easy to maintain, and widely supported in almost every city. Petrol cars are usually cheaper to buy up front, spare parts are easily available, mechanics are familiar with the technology, and repairs are generally simpler and less expensive, which makes petrol cars attractive for first-time buyers and people who want a hassle-free ownership experience. In daily city driving, petrol cars perform smoothly, warm up quickly, and do not depend on batteries or electric motors, which means there is less complexity under the hood. However, the biggest downside of petrol cars in 2026 is fuel efficiency, because rising petrol prices directly increase running costs, especially for people who drive daily or travel long distances, making petrol cars more expensive to operate over time. On the other hand, hybrid cars combine a petrol engine with an electric motor and a battery system, allowing the car to intelligently switch between petrol power, electric power, or a combination of both, depending on driving conditions, which significantly improves fuel efficiency and reduces fuel consumption in city traffic. In slow traffic and stop-and-go conditions, hybrids often rely more on electric power, which means less fuel usage, quieter driving, and lower emissions, making them more environmentally friendly compared to traditional petrol cars. In 2026, hybrid technology has become more refined, reliable, and efficient, offering smoother transitions between petrol and electric modes, better battery management, and improved long-term durability compared to older hybrid models. One of the biggest advantages of hybrid cars is fuel savings, as many hybrids deliver excellent mileage, especially in urban environments, which can result in noticeable cost savings over years of ownership, even though the initial purchase price is usually higher than petrol cars. This higher upfront cost is often the main concern for buyers considering hybrid cars, as hybrid vehicles are generally more expensive due to advanced technology, battery systems, and electric motors, making them less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Maintenance is another key factor to consider, because while modern hybrid systems are designed to be reliable, repairs can be more complex and expensive if something goes wrong, and specialized technicians may be required, which is not always convenient in smaller cities. However, it is also important to understand that hybrid cars often experience less wear on components like brakes and engines due to regenerative braking and optimized engine usage, which can reduce certain maintenance costs over time. In terms of driving experience, petrol cars feel familiar and predictable, offering consistent power delivery and a traditional engine sound that many drivers still prefer, while hybrid cars provide a quieter, smoother ride, especially at low speeds, with instant electric torque that makes city driving more relaxed and efficient. On highways, petrol cars and hybrids perform similarly, as most hybrids rely more on the petrol engine at higher speeds, meaning fuel efficiency benefits are reduced but still present. Another important aspect in 2026 is environmental impact, as hybrid cars produce fewer emissions compared to petrol cars, contributing to cleaner air and reduced carbon footprint, which is becoming increasingly important as governments introduce stricter environmental regulations and incentives for eco-friendly vehicles. From an ownership perspective, resale value also matters, and in many markets, hybrids are gaining stronger resale value due to increasing demand for fuel-efficient vehicles, while petrol cars still hold value due to simplicity and widespread acceptance. For people who drive mostly in cities with heavy traffic, hybrids make more sense due to better mileage and smoother driving, while for people who drive less, travel mostly on highways, or want a lower purchase price, petrol cars may still be the more practical choice. Reliability is often a concern for buyers, but by 2026, hybrid systems from established brands have proven to be reliable, with batteries designed to last many years, although replacement costs can be high if needed after long-term use. It is also important to consider infrastructure and lifestyle, because unlike fully electric cars, hybrids do not depend on charging stations, making them easier to adopt without changing daily routines, while still offering some benefits of electrification. In conclusion, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to petrol versus hybrid cars in 2026, because the better option depends on your budget, driving habits, fuel costs, maintenance expectations, and long-term plans. Petrol cars remain a simple, affordable, and reliable choice with lower upfront costs, while hybrid cars offer better fuel efficiency, smoother city driving, and lower emissions at a higher initial price. Understanding your personal needs and priorities is the key to making the right decision, and that is exactly what AutoBrief aims to help you with, by breaking down complex automotive topics into simple, clear, and practical explanations so you can choose the car that truly fits your life in 2026.